No IoTs or low IoTs, no problem. How many of you would like to know that how any manufacturer without fancy sensors or IoTs can still save millions of dollars every year by reducing downtime with their existing data? Hello everyone, I'm Parinchil Singh, co-founder of Data2Biz. For last 7 years, we have helped many manufacturers like you turn invisible data into more than $10 million of saving without ripping out their old machine or installing expensive sensors. Last July in 2024, a US auto parts supplier emailed me saying we don't have IoT sensors. Can you still help us? 20 weeks later, they slashed downtime by 35% and saved more than $2 million annually. Today, I'll show you how exactly they did it and how you can too as well. Let's crush number one myth. You need IoTs in manufacturing to use AI. Truth is, your machine already gives you 3 free data gold mines. First one is PLC or SCADA logs. Whenever temperature spikes, pressure drops, or your machine gives you some error codes, it logs every second. Second gold mine is your maintenance log notes. Your machine technician notes like bearing noise on line 3. So these kind of notes are AI secret weapons. Third one is your ERP downtime records. Which shift, material or batches fail most? Your ERP knows it and can talk about the same to an AI model. A quick stat check. According to McKinsey, 73% of the manufacturer delay AI implementation due to IoT complexity. But 90% already have unused data hiding in PLCs, maintenance logs, and ERP systems. Let's break down a real example. A German plastic plant with 20-year-old machine was facing around $1.5 million annually in downtime. No IoTs again. Here is a more to the story. The plant was battling with 12 to 13 breakdown every month. Technicians were firefighters, not problem solvers. The plant manager told us, we are stuck in survival mode. So during discovery phase, we found out that the temperature spikes in PLC logs always occurring 70 or 72 hours before the pump failures. But why? Cross-referencing maintenance logs, we saw notes like unusual vibration and oil discoloration. So these kind of clue technicians were missing. So what we did, we trained a custom AI model on client's data to flag pump entering into the danger zone. From danger zone, I mean whenever the temperature touches 65 degrees centigrade consistently for 4 hours. So technician got alert like pump number 10, so you need to replace bearing in next 14 days. So what was the result? The breakdown dropped from 12 to 2 to 3 per month. I clearly remember the plant manager saying, for the first time, we are ahead of disasters. You must be wondering, how does this work? Why does this work? Believe me, your machines are already speaking to you. You just need to listen to it carefully. No IoTs, no problem. Let me say that again. No IoTs, no problem. Anyways, here is our 3-step secret sauce, which we make to help you save dollars. Connect, clean, predict. So we plug into the PLC, ERP or even Excel sheet data. No hardware, no drama. I'll repeat, no hardware. So once we get all the data, we fix missing data points like filling gaps in the maintenance logs so that AI model gets the complete picture. Then our customized AI model will flag risk like replace motor X in 14 days. Simple, actionable, right? I'll repeat the cheat code for your information. Connect, clean, predict. So most AI vendors sell fancy IoT solutions that take 12 to 15 months to show ROI. But you don't have time for science experiment. Manufacturers like you need pragmatic fixes, not PhD projects. That's why we at Data2Biz focus on quick wins first. Like predicting 2 to 3 high-cost failures first, then you can obviously scale to IoTs later. So I'll say start with your data, not sensors. Here is a free bonus tip. Export your PLC error logs for last 3 months Look for any error code that repeats more than 10 times. For example, code E047 for a specific brand, or code associated to a particular problem like motor overload or communication failure. I can recall one of the client was finding a pressure sensor fault recurring 14 times per month. Turn out it was not the sensor, it was a worn hydraulic valve worth less than $200, but was causing $50,000 in downtime annually. Fixing it just took less than 2 hours. So scan this code to try out our free downtime saving calculator. In less than 3 clicks, see how much you could save. No IoTs required, no commitment, just plain simple data. Let's turn your data into profit. See you on the floor.